Hello, Odooers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. If you are running a beauty clinic, dermatology center, or aesthetic practice, you know how exhausting it is to manage patient appointments, secure medical histories, track facial treatment, and handle billing across the different systems. So today we will see how to automate your entire beauty practice from a single integrated Odoo application, covering everything from online patient booking and interactive facial zone charting to automated inventory and accounting. So let's see about that how it works. You can see here this module, their beauty clinic management. Here already installed this module. So first go to this app, beauty clinic management. So we have a different menu, this dashboard, appointments, case, patient care, staff, reporting and configuration. But first we need to go this settings under this user and available this different user. First of all, this Dr. Ram Purohit and this have beautician rights. It means as a doctor. Now available this admin. So admin have administrator rights. And now third one is Nita Mehra. Nita Mehra is a receptionist. So have a receptionist role. So we have a total 3 roles. First of all, this receptionist, beautician and administrator. When log in with this receptionist as Nita Mehra, then only write case for the any patient and only see your created case for the patient. It means no have rights to handle this case. Another role is a beautician. So beautician is a Ram Purohit. So Ram Purohit is totally handle case for the patient and create invoice and view case and edit. Now third one role is a admin. So admin have a full rights. It can see dashboard, edit, delete, also add here the specialty, also manage here the staff, teams, also add here this patient medicine, specialties, etc. So first of all, we go to website and log in with this receptionist as a Nita Mehra. So first of all, log in with this Nita Mehra. Now enter here this password and login. So display here now login with this Nita Mehra as a receptionist role. Now go to website and provided here this appointment menu. Now open it and we have a home page of reveal your natural radiance. When you scroll down, then we have a total 3 specialties: aesthetic, anti-aging and wellness. Now available here is about beauty care clinic description, and we have a modern technology, experienced team, safe and non-invasive, and fourth one is a tailored package. Now provided here the satisfaction for this glowing clients, share of expertise plus 15.99 plus satisfaction of clients, and now flexible bookings of food in balcony. Now available our teams for the beauty. Ram Purohit is a aesthetic and skincare. Rehan Patel is a anti-aging laser specialist. Third one is a Riyans Mehta, also skincare specialist. And fourth one is a Dr. Sumohit, anti-aging and laser specialist. So if you want that for this aesthetic and skincare, then easily select here this as a patient. So display here this secure your preferred time instantly. Now you can easily select here this your generated store. First of all, display here specialist with location, booking information by online. Now available total 4 beautician for this. So here I want to select this Ram Purohit. So today's slot for available only 4, but here I want to book for the 30 days. And here see this 2 slot is already booked and now only available 6 slot. So now here I want to select this 11 to 11:40. So display here is timing, date and time zone. Now provided here is I need to fill all details. So select here this new patient. Now enter your full name like folder Diane, age 40, male. Now set here this email address. Add here phone number. And if you want to write any additional information, then easily write here. Now confirm your appointment and display here thank you message with your appointment has been created successfully and your generated request number is the appointment number 4. So when you back your this app beauty clinic management and go to this appointment and display here created appointment for this Voltagian appointment number 4 with start to end date and attendance admins receptionist is Nita Mehra. Now open it and also display here this under this session details. Now if you want to interested in then easily confirm it, then easily move draft to confirm and send mail to this patient. Nita Mehra, hello, your appointment has been confirmed. And now display here this beauty case in 0. It means not created any beauty case for this new patient for Diane. Now easily create case and now display here one case is attached. Now open it and display here patient name for Diane, email with phone number, 4:30 date, beautician name, and this beautician have this total 2 specialties. So as a receptionist role, just view this case. It means no have this handle case for this patient. So display here only just moving in draft state. So in this video, we showed how to create appointment as a receptionist role and only view this case. But next video we'll see how to handle as a beautician of this patient case. So let's see about that in this next video. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.